How many of you are staying away from your parents? How many of you moved here for your job or for your college? Can you just raise hands? That's me. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. We deserve it. So hi, I'm Kanika Chaudhary. I'm an artist. I am poet, painter, many of those. You'll get to know किस type के artist हूँ मैं. You'll get to know throughout my story. So before I begin, I wanna talk about a small story that actually impacted me to who I am today. And that story revolves around that one person, and that one person is Pinky Di, my cousin. So I belong to Jharkhand. I belong to a small city in Jharkhand, and I stay in a joint family. We are around like 10, 15 people that stayed in a house. And this story is going to be around a little bit around her and how I have come to what I am. This is not going to be a sob story, please. I want to put that out of the line. This is actually going to be opposite. It's quite progressive. It's quite amazing. So yeah, Pinky Di. So Pinky Di was around 31. She was an architect. Back in early 2000s, when everybody was talking about Balika Vadhu, my sister was actually talking about how she has her own vision, how she wants to do things that she likes. So looking up to her actually made me realize कि नहीं यार, मतलब there's also something apart for girls like us कि हमें हर चीज़ same parents के similar norm से नहीं करना पड़ता है. And she was the person who made me realize कि you don't have to follow the similar things. You can you can carve your own paths. So I remember one memory that is a core memory with Pinky Di that I've spent is because she was an architect and she was into creativity, I would say, a lot. I was always around doing embossed painting, or I was always doing that tin paintings. You get all those art projects in your school, no? So she was the one who was pushing me to do everything. She was the one. At times, there were times I wake up and my projects are done because she has done it, because she enjoyed doing it. But my complaint would be कि मुझे भी साथ करना है यार, आप अकेले मत करो. So that was one of the core memories that I've had. And I think that's not just with me. अगर मेरे पड़ोसी के लोगों को भी लाके बुलाए अभी कि what would you say about her? They have same thing कि नहीं यार दीदी still in our core memory. So I feel जब art और artist क्या होता है वो words ही मुझे नहीं पता थे. I was exposed to the world of being an artist. And I think that's how I went from this you might recognize that you do in your school, the pahad, the ped, the nadi wala thing. So I think this is how I started, and then I went from this to something this. One good thing about my painting, so now you get to know I am a painter. I paint a lot. So I went from this, and from this I went to this. This is actually this painting on my shirt. Thank you. So one good thing about my paintings, I would say, is, or any painting, I would say, कि जब आप एक paint को देखते हो, एक art को देखते हो, तो आप उसे 4 बार भी देखो, 5 बार भी देखो, कुछ एक नया दिखेगा. Because you miss that minute details, how everybody was also talking about. It's always in the details, right? So for me, it was never about कि अच्छा करना है कि बुरा करना है. It was always about कि किस तरीके से मैं अपना emotion express कर सकती हूँ. And it was never about कि this person should see it, this person should see it. No, I didn't give a damn. My sister didn't give a damn. She was 31. I didn't give at all. So it has always been कि how it is helping me to process my emotion. And this art form became that outlet for me. And throughout this stories of mine, I'll tell you how it has helped me in different phases probably. So I'm probably just going to keep it there. So I relate to Ishan Awasthi a lot. Not because of this, but because मैं भी एक boarding school की product हूँ. My parents also कि हाँ चले जाओ यार, we cannot take care of you now. So I went to Mussoorie when I was in class 7th, when I was 12. And जब interview होता है, the principal asked me, the dean asked me, why do you want to come here? You're just so small, why do you want to come here? And I had one line, I don't want to run to mama to oil my hair. No, I want to be independent. I was 12. Do I know the meaning of being independent? Not at all. But at that point also, I embraced being alone. And I thought maybe going to boarding school is going to help me. Maybe mama is not going to run behind me. बहुत गंदी बात थी because there were house mothers, there were deans and everybody running behind me. But yeah, I think because of boarding school, I kind of understood, I kind of embraced the importance of being alone, the happiness of being alone, the wholesomeness of just trying to spend time with yourself. And even when I was spending time with myself there, I was doing this. I was not telling my parents, ki, oh, sports pe jana hai, oh, I want to come home. I did say I want to come home, but that's something else. That I was doing something like this. This helped me. That 10 minutes alone time helped me to find a voice. So, as you might all know, this famous person called Ori. Ori बोलता है ना कि मैं अपना favorite हूँ and I like spending time by myself कि क्यों नहीं. तो I think we all should follow that because अगर आप अकेले खुद को time देते हो, as I said, I'm repeating that, but as I said कि if you give yourself some time, अगर खुद को समझोगे तो शायद दूसरों को समझने की उतनी ज़रूरत ना पड़े. Because at times we spend a lot of time, we waste a lot of time कि shit यार इसने क्या कहा, इसने क्या कहा, इसने क्यों सोचना है? तुम क्या सोचते हो खुद के बारे में? तुम क्या करते हो? As sir said, go to that gym mind. Just be there. Just give yourself that 10 minutes. It's something similar to what he said. I would want to elaborate on it. A little bit of me time. Me time. सब बोलते हैं, no, I'm not getting my me time. Yeah, I'm not getting. Especially the Gen Zs. कि no, I want to spend time alone. I don't want to go clubbing today. The Gen Zs are, by the way, not going into clubbing that much though. So yeah, I want to have my me time. I want to go. I want to just sit by myself near a window, near a lake. That 5 minutes. I'm not kidding. That 5 minutes will actually change perspective. That 5 minutes will make you realize if you are into music, if you are into art, if you want to pursue this career, if you think that what you're doing right now actually makes sense, or do you want a career change, that 5 minutes. But that 5 minutes is not just one day. I'm talking about 5 minutes every day. Huh? Gym jana padega, mental gym. So something like that. I want to tell a quick story. Do you guys know the difference between being alone and loneliness? दो अलग-अलग चीज़ें होती है ना. So I want to quickly tell a story that helped me understand that theory very nicely. Would be that 3 years back I moved to London, and if you guys will understand, you guys are alone from your parents. That's why the first thing that I told you guys, कि when you are away from your home, the first thing that strikes you is loneliness. I miss home. I miss food, yeah. I don't want to spend so much with my parents. So that's loneliness. And everybody does have that gradually, and because I kind of was in the pattern of being alone with myself, I knew what I could do when I was alone. It didn't bother me after 10 days. I started enjoying, I started going to galleries alone, and I started sitting at parks alone. I mean, West has that beautiful parks. Everybody sits there, everybody just glances. So I think those park times, I was just sketching. I was not alone anymore. I was not lonely anymore. I was alone, but I was not alone, lonely. So that helped me understand कि no boss, it's okay. It's all about a perspective change. It's all about thinking कि मेरे लिए क्या work कर रहा है. उस बंदे के लिए football जाना work कर रहा, मुझे football खेलना ही नहीं आता. What will I do on the field? I might be good in my painting section. So that helped me understand the difference between loneliness and alone. I would also want to give a quick shout out to my parents. They're not here, just quick shout out to them because I have a gap year between my college and my school. And बहुत कम parents बोलते हैं कि जा बेटा, जा सिमरन, जी ले अपनी ज़िंदगी. Because they saw me that I was not good in finance, I was not good in economics, I was good in being alone. So my parents, they were like, this is your golden year, do whatever you want to do. And that year, पहले तो मैं paint कर रही थी for something अपने लिए, but that year actually made me realize I am good at it, yeah. I can do this. That year made me get into the habit of doing it every day, failing at it, tearing a paper, throwing my paints, buying new paints, getting to it again. I realized this is my strength. I don't think my friends are doing this. They were in college, they were going around, but I don't think they were having that much fun. So that actually prepared me for what's coming next. So my next at that point was going to my design school. Before that gap year, I didn't know I could paint. Like I could paint for my friends, family and cards, the embossed paintings. But I didn't know I had it in me. I was like, people are going to be super crazy. They're going to have these amazing finished paintings. I can't even do anything. But that 1 year actually prepared me for what was coming next. When I went there, sure, I could not draw a straight line from the scale, but I didn't need to. I could just draw it like that. That was my own touch. That made one single line an art from a straight line to. So, पर कहीं ना कहीं you fill that me time with your friends, going out. Do it. No, it's your age. Obviously, 100% do it. But come back, find that 5 minutes to sit near a window. Sit near a window is a metaphor. You don't have to really find a window to get that 5 minutes out of yourself. So maybe take that 5 minutes. All you have to do is just hack your pattern. Sir has given amazing tricks to hack your pattern. I mean, I think this full session will tell you how to do what I am asking you to do. Maybe sit, hack your pattern, think of what's working for you, what's not working for you. You just have to think of 3 things that went good in your day, 3 things that went bad in your day. You don't have to figure out why this person made me sad, I want a therapist. You don't have to think of all that. All I'm asking you, बस 5 मिनट बताओ अपने साथ. And 5 मिनट बताओ का ये मतलब नहीं कि you're sitting with yourself and thinking कि हाँ यार ये हुआ, I'm sad. Your 5 minutes there should be nothing. It should be calm. It could be, you can call it meditation maybe. It should just be calmness, because that 5 minutes of calmness, believe me, it's not a lie. I have tested it, worked for me, and I hope it works for you as well. That 5 minutes will give you so much clarity on your what's next, on what you want to do next. And that probably will take you long in the journey. At least I hope from there to coming here is given me a long journey. So why not give yourself that much time, figure out what's working for you. Because when you get into that loop of corporate working, you're going to be so exhausted. You're going to be exhausted between going traveling, thinking out दीदी बोल रही है क्या खाना है, dinner में क्या खाना है, breakfast में खाना है. You will not have that much time to think. So all you need to do, I'm going to be very specific and keep telling this to you throughout till I end. 5 minutes दे दो बस 5 minutes, not asking much. To yourself, not to me, not to your partner, not to your parents, to yourself. So yeah, and I happen to crack that recently, because obviously मैं भी कोई संत तो नहीं हूँ ना कि हर बार मैं सोचूंगी, and at all points of my life I will be I'm all giggly and all. So recently, because my job is also very high performance driven, very demanding, I could not crack off what's working for me. I was going through this beautiful app, very aesthetic app called, what do you think would be? Very aesthetic app that you guys also use. Instagram. No? Who said Pinterest? So that's Pinterest. So I was scrolling through Pinterest, trying to find a new idea for my collection. What should I do next? By the way, the paintings that I do are all from my fingers. I don't use brush. So that's another thing that helps me connect to my art, is the fingers. कि ब्रश से वापस वही आ गया कि मैं सीधा लाइन तो खींच नहीं सकती, टेढ़ा लाइन खींचना है तो हाथों से खींच लेती हूँ. क्या जा रहा है? Who gives a coming back to the aesthetic app I was talking about. So I was scrolling through Pinterest. Pinterest has been good amount of my scrolling time. I want to see what's going on. I want to talk about what people are doing in pointillism now, how people are perceiving post-impressionism now, how people are thinking of Van Gogh, तो थोड़ा basic हो गया है अब, but how people are recreating all those paintings. How can I learn from something new? And I could not find anything. And it was a Saturday. One of my colleagues called. मन नहीं था, Saturday यार, I wanna have that time. And ये Gen Z's का थोड़ा सा है, but yeah. So I wanted to have that time, and he called, and I didn't want to entertain. But पता था कि उठाना तो पड़ेगा because something urgent could be. I picked up that call, I got on that call, finished it. I wanted to say some mean things, but you cannot, right? Because you have to also maintain your job, you also have to go along the life. So when I kept that call, I was like, I'm very frustrated. This needs to come out. And I knew my outlet. My outlet was painting. And the first word that came to my mind when I kept that phone, I was like, why did we even have that call? And that actually gave me an idea for my new collection. I named it Damn You, took out my paper, put out my paints, did a painting, there was a face. And I figured every day, not every day, but once in a week, if somebody ticks that nerve in my mind, I would come down, paint a picture of him, put it on my wall, and go, you can know what I'm talking about. So I would do that. It would just help me vent my emotions. It would just help me not put it on my friend, not would like वो भड़ास नहीं निकलती कहीं और वो भड़ास मैं तक, and that's so wrong. We all tend to do that without even realizing that I'm frustrated today. I don't know how to channelize this. I have to get on to another meeting. I have to go meet this friend. I have to do this. I have to do that. In that आप process कब कर रहे हो? And that things यहाँ का गुस्सा you're getting out there, वहाँ का गुस्सा, it just becomes a very, very, very toxic pattern without you even realizing. And that will change if you are able to find that one emotional outlet. You don't have to spend like thousands going to a rage room. You can just make your rage room at your own place. You just have to figure out how your rage can be directed. That's all. And I think I've eaten few of my stories, but that's all right. And one simple thing that I would also say is, like Sir has said, for your going to your mind gym would be that before you sleep today, just do one thing for me. Ask yourself and ask your friend. Very simple question. 3 things that made me happy today. I'll go first. My first would be my partner made tea for me. I had an amazing cab. I don't know why. Paid 24 rupees for it. I don't know how. Made me happy. And third would be this beautiful girl, Archita, who has helped me throughout. So I think these 3 things would make me super happy, super smile. So just go back, do that 3 things. Give yourself a little bit of time. Just figure out that one outlet. तो किसी और पे भड़ास निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. And you can actually find something beautiful like how I have found for my emotions.